Hey, what's up? I'm Dave Boyer, aka Mr. Boyer, aka the Swamp Man, in Portland, Maine on a summer road trip. We stopped here at the Portland Headlight that's behind me, a lighthouse right along the ocean here. Gorgeous little walk I've been taking on a trail called the Cliff Walk. So I kind of was trying to think of something to talk about with the lighthouse, and light seems to be the most obvious thing to talk about. So as we are studying light. The first primary source of light that we're going to study is light that comes from the sun in the form of electromagnetic waves, all the different parts of the electromagnetic spectrum. But visible light is the type of light that we see. And that visible light travels for 93 million miles to get from the sun to reach Earth here. And all that time that it's traveling, it doesn't really lose any energy. It's going to be just as bright as it travels through space as it is here on Earth. But the lighthouse that we have back here, the Portland Headlight, when it was in use, and it shined its light out into the ocean for boats to be able to navigate, particularly at nighttime and during fog and storms. That light's not going to make it 93 million miles. We can't shine the Portland Headlight at the sun and somebody magically on the surface of the sun be able to see that light. So what's going on there? That seems a little bit weird that the sun's light can travel for so long through space and the light from a really powerful light bulb in the lighthouse can't travel very far. So when light hits things, whether that's gases in the atmosphere, water in the atmosphere, solid objects like the rocks that are here on the shore, water from the ocean that's there, anything that light touches is going to do something to that light. And the three main things that we'll study that it's going to do are reflection, bouncing off of something, refraction, when the light is bent, and then absorption. So any of those things is going to change the amount of light that's left over as it passes through something, if it passes through it. You'll hear words like scattering. Scattering of light happens often in clouds and in water droplets that are in the air. And when light hits that water droplet, it refracts, it bends that light and scatters it around. So that's one of the main reasons why light here on Earth doesn't travel very far, is because there's so many things for it to bump into. So many molecules of air in our atmosphere, so much water in our atmosphere, and so much solid objects around the surface of the Earth that are going to do things like reflect the light or refract the light or absorb that light. Just thought I'd take a moment and kind of share a little bit about light that we're going to be studying in first quarter. Beautiful spot here in Portland, Maine. Our family is up looking at the lighthouse now, and I kind of ran down here on the cliff trail to get down close to the ocean. Thought I'd stop and share it with you and tell you that science rocks. Peace.